Create elegant and affordable visiting cards for free. Create your account and register yourself. Now, click the Create New Profile Card option. Add your organization's name. Then tap on Next. Select your preferred template. Upload company's logo and type other details. Give your payment details with QR codes. Upload the images of your products. Upload your preferred projects. Congratulations! Your visiting card is ready for share. Visit now quikly.in and design your visiting card for free.